Good evening and welcome back. This is a visible satellite image of what we were looking at from the last 10 hours. Now I'm going to play this forward and you'll notice a lot of this cloud cover really begins to build up, mainly further inland, right around the mountain areas. That's also where we're picking up a lot more of the rain that I showed you earlier. Now we're going to play this forward. There's all that cloud cover sticking around mainly further inland, but we are also picking up a little bit of this cloud cover Eureka and further south. Now, what this particular satellite isn't picking up is all of that upper level cloud cover that tried to move through the area earlier today. But this is where we're sitting right now, a little bit of cloud cover, again, mainly south of Eureka. Now, we're going to zoom out and change the satellites just a little bit, take a look at a little bit different of a picture. This low pressure sitting up just off to the west of Oregon, that's what we call a short wave low. All that means is that's the low pressure that's formed at the last minute. Absolutely nothing to worry about, but what it will do is it's going to slide down our coastline, bringing us a little bit of cloud cover for tomorrow, just like we saw for today. And again, the inland cities may continue to see more rain, just like we did today, and a possible thunderstorm is not out of the question, though those chances remain very low, and again, mainly further inland. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at our forecast model. All this rain that we're picking up is actually all due to the fact that we warmed up today. It's just from daytime heating. Now, as we start cooling off the air, a lot of this rain is really going to begin to diminish. So a lot of the rain that we're picking up right now should be out of the picture by midnight tonight, though the coastal cities may pick up a little bit of coastal drizzle. 7 a.m. we're going to wake up, have Trinidad and south of Fortuna have a little bit of that lower level cloud cover, maybe even some fog. But as the day heats up, we should really begin to mix that out. We'll go ahead and call it a partly cloudy day. I'm not anticipating seeing total sunshine along the coastline, but we'll go ahead and call it a partly cloudy day. Further inland, just like we saw today with the land beginning to warm up, that's going to spark some more rain showers, just like we're seeing right now. And again, possibility of seeing some thunderstorms, mainly further inland in eastern Humboldt County and Trinity and Siskiyou counties as well. We play this forward just like it does tonight. A lot of that rain really begins to break up, and we'll be left with a very cloudy evening for tomorrow night. Overnight lows tonight right about 48 to 50 degrees for the evening, even up to 51 in Crescent City. High temperatures tomorrow and really for the rest of the week are going to remain pretty close to what we felt today. Lower 60s for southern Humboldt County, Redway up to 70 degrees could be possible. Partly sunny skies are expected. As for the Eel River and Humboldt Bay region, lower 60s here as well, 61 in McKinleyville and Ferndale. Remember, we could start the day with a little bit of that lower level cloud cover and fog, but we should break up and see some sunshine. Across the bay, same thing here, 65 in Blue Lake. Lower 60s from Trinidad all the way out to Neeland. And again, these temperatures likely to stick around through the rest of our work week. Further inland, right around the lower 70s is expected. We're going to pick up some rain mainly after 11 a.m., just like we did today, but that should all begin to wind down by the later hours for tomorrow, just like it's doing tonight. If we're further into the Curry and Del Norte counties region, lower 60s mainly along the coastline as you head into Gasky. 69 degrees is the high with a partly cloudy condition. As for your marine forecast, we do have northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, northwest waves 5 feet at 9 seconds, with a high tide right about 3:09 tomorrow afternoon, peaking at just over 5 feet. For the coastal 7-day forecast, 60 degrees for tomorrow, and we're going to stay right about 60 degrees as we end our week. Going into Memorial Day weekend, for the most part, just a little bit of cloud cover could be possible in the first half of the week. For the interior, we're going to keep that chance of rain on hand for tomorrow. Temperatures staying right about 70 degrees, warming up just a little bit just in time for your Memorial Day weekend with quite a bit of sunshine.